Hi guys, in this step-by-step video I'm going to be showing you how you can change font on Shopify. Now you can change font on the product page. What you guys need to do, you just need to, you can change font anywhere on your Shopify store. Just log in into your Shopify store. That's the first step you need to do, is to log in into your Shopify store. After that, you want to click, guys, on online store here in the left, and then you want to click on as you can see, themes. Okay, you want to click on themes. Now currently I am using the down theme. Okay, this like, you just need to click on customize. Okay, find your theme and then click on customize, as you can see here. Okay, I'm using right now down theme, like I said. Click on customize, and as you can see, depending on your theme, some people, you will find here theme settings at the very bottom left here. They may find the theme settings here, but for me, I am going to find it here. As you can see, in the settings here in the top left, click on theme settings, and after that you want to click on typography. I hope I pronounced it correctly. Now some themes, it will say their font. Okay, click on that. Typography. I hope I pronounced this correctly. And after that, you want to then click here where you want to change the font. For example, you want to change it on the product page, or the home page. If you want to change font on a home page of your Shopify store, just scroll down, and here you can see the font size, the font size scale. Okay, the font size scale. You can like increase the font size scale here. As you can see, you can also change the font. As you can see, you can click on change, and there are a lot of fonts. These fonts, you can change any of them, like for example this one. As you can see, it's going to change here. I'm going to change it to this one, this font. Let me check here. Like you can just change it to any font, like I said, or you can click on homepage in the top here. You want to select the product page, click on products, and then click on default product. You can, like I said, change click on like theme settings, click on typography, and you can change the font here. Click on change, and you can change to whatever font you want. For example, I would like to change it to this one, or this one. As you can see, it's going to change from here. Just choose here the font, for example this one, as you can see here. And also you can change the layout. Like make sure you save your changes, by the way. After you after you choose here the font, make sure you save your changes. Click on save in the top right. Now after that, click on select here. Alright, now after that you can change like the buttons. You can also change the buttons here if you want, and also the collection cards, blog cards, the media. Okay, you can change a lot of things. Like to change the font is very easy. Like I showed you, just click on font, like typography, and then click here where it says font, click change, and then you can select any font you want. After you click on save, make sure you click here on select. That's it. So hopefully this one helped you guys. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Drop a like, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone. See you guys next video.